Curious about what happens when blocking someone on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through what happens when you block someone on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Open the chat of the person that you want to block. Then tap on their username. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Then tap on block. Tap on block again to confirm the action. As you can see, I can no longer send them a message. Now I've switched back to my other account. If I open the chat of other account and send them a message, they won't be able to see it or receive it. In the chat, there is no way of knowing if they blocked you or not. But if you tap on their profile picture and go to their profile, if I try to send them a friend request, it won't be possible. If I try again, it happens the same. And this is what happens when you block someone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.